Okay, now I'm going to show you log rolling, which is the best way to get in and out of the bed. It's the safest way for your spine. So what you want to do if you have a really high bed, you want to make sure you have a step or something you can use so that you're able to simply sit on the edge of the bed. If you need to, you can scoot back a bit so you're nicely sitting on the edge of the bed. You want to give yourself a little bit of space. So you want to be about in the middle of the bed, maybe a little higher than middle, because then you'll lean on your side, lifting your legs up at the same time. So you're fully on your side, and then we'll turn the whole body as one this way. That's log rolling to get into the bed. To get out of the bed, you do the opposite. So we'll roll to the side as one, that way we're not twisting our spine. We'll hang our feet on the edge and push up through our arms. So we're sitting on the edge. Again, if you have a really high bed, then you'll go down onto your step. If not, you'll simply go down on the ground, and that's the safest way to get in and out of your bed.
Be sure and get in your resistance training, stretching, and balance. A great way to help you get started with that is to go to my 9 Days to Stronger Bones. It's my free starter course, so check it out at osteoprofitness.com.